Test cases, test scenarios, and test scripts, the three pillars of software testing that every developer and QA engineer must master. Now, what is a test scenario? A test scenario is a high-level narrative that describes a specific functionality or feature from the end user's perspective. It represents a complete business workflow or user journey that needs to be validated, focusing on what needs to be tested rather than how to test it. The goal is to ensure complete business functionality is tested and it prevents scope gaps. The use cases includes requirements traceability, test planning and estimation, stakeholder communication, and coverage analysis. Now let's talk about test case. A test case is a detailed document that specifies the exact condition, steps, and data required to verify a particular aspect of software functionality. It contains comprehensive instructions including preconditions, test steps, expected results, and post-conditions. The goal is to provide repeatable, consistent testing approach that reduces human error. Use cases may include manual test execution, defect reproduction, regression testing, and documentation standards. Now, talking about a test script. A test script is an executable program written in a programming language that automates the execution of test cases. It contains coded instructions that interact with the application under test, perform validations, and report results without human intervention. Test scripts transform manual test cases into automated workflows using testing frameworks and tools. Here, the goal is to enable faster feedback, reduce manual effort, and increase test coverage. The use cases include continuous integration deployment, regression automation, and performance testing. So now, let's see all three in action with an example of online banking money transfer. For a test scenario, the customer transfers money between accounts and the business requirement. For a test case, the complete detailed steps for transferring $500 from savings to checking with all preconditions and expected results. And for a test script, actual automation code that executes those exact steps. So here's the difference between a test script, a test scenario, and a test case.